ngiyefundela nami ngathi abantu bakithi ngeke banjani bahlupheke ngezifundo mina sengihamba ngafunda ukuthi ngiqeqeshe ukuthi abantu abadala abanye bazalwa ngesikhathi sempi abanye zebe bafunda icrash anti ingangikhangela zange niye ama-crash phela ama-crash into zakathesi
ngakamba
so ngase ngifunda ke ngase ngisiya lamabhuku ami ukuthi ngifunde ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi abantu lani lifunde libe lolwazi sikhiwa
into enhle kakhulu uyabona nxa kusenzeka into ezinje esigabeni anti siyaphakama
so lapha ngizalifundisa ngendlela ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba yini then ngilifundise isikhiwa sesizangena ezingalweni mntwana nami lethi ibhuku lela eliphezulu lapha uqale kuthi
kakhulu hayi right kakhulu qhakathekile wena
imfundo enhle kakhulu
enhle kakhulu siqala impilo entsha
wabona ufuna ufundela kwa yini
mina ngifuna ukuphaka phezulu kuba pilot
isikhathi asikakuchisi yavula lapha mntwana ufuna ukuba yini
uyabona amacala ngendlela enzeka ngayo lapha esigabeni anti nafuna ukuba lipolisa
alright sizazama but isipolisa lesirasta urastafari esipholiseni hayi asazi ke then lapho mama ufuna ukuba yini
mina ngifuna ukuba ngunesi
unesi lapha abantu alright
ye
ngapho mbalisi ufuna ukuba yini
mina ngifuna ukuba ngudokotela
yanti baba kunceda uzubuye yanti wabona ukuqhakatheka kwani kwamadokotela correct mbalisi
wayefuqa ngebhara
usamfuqa before ngiye college ngamfuqa wapho zohamba wapho sothi isitshwala
ukhetha into right
wayathi isitshwala kabuhlungu
nanzelelile ukuthi lokhana kuyasiza
isibhedlela
odokotela labonesi
ufunde nanti umbalisi ufunde ukuthi izifo awuhlale isifo ukuthi ngesakho hamba emtholampilo uncedwe kwazakala ukuthi egazini lakho kulani bakunike ilokuzeni
ama-prescription
yes amaphilisi afaneleyo angithi
mina konke ukujwayele kwazi yikho phela ngifuna ukufunda
right so ngizalifundisa kuhle ubackground anti lamazulu angu asini sonke e i o u
siqalele khona loku
ngilibisele emuva i-foundation yoqhakathekile nxa ufundisa abantu angithi into le kumele siyilande emuva ngapha emsileni
thina singaka
ubungaka butsho ukuthi isikhiwa sikuthi ungakanani na yikho khona abancane ngathi it can't uyangenza it can't
abantwana laba abafundayo u-a bese thina okhulu babo abanye phela ngabazukulu bethu bese sithi
right bazwanini abantu abadala esikolo khiphani ingqondo ukuthi lingabantu abadala vumani kuba ngabantu abami lithi se nxa lingikhangela libadala but ngolwazi esengimbuye waluthola mina selingaphansi kwami
sithi
se kimi
ngiyizwa yena le ndaba
ukuthi se liyangihlonipha liyangizwisisa
uhambe esikolo wena
yes asenzeni
ukuthi se
asenzeni a-e-i-o-u
sakaphekayizwa
a-e-i-o-u babebibobu chachechichuchu ubaba umama ubhuti usisi umnewethu ngizama ukuthatha right sesihamba ke my name is Dawin
mama ekhaya
my name is Dawin
right my name is
my
Fortune
name is Mahlangu
your name is Mahlangu very good
asosibongo
Fortune what my name is
my
Fortune
name is Fortune
kathi wena la uthonjalo uthe my name is Dawin umntwana sosibongo
libizo la
libizo la
right asambe mama my name is
my name is Nabethu
umntana wakho uyamfaka eceleni lapha siyafundisana senze okudala asambe my name is Priska what my name is Priska ngitsho kuwe mama, my name is Priska.
kunzima phela ukuthi ngikhulume ibizo lami ngimdala ngaka.
But silibisela
Kusesikolo,
kufoundation,
mama,
kusesikolo,
kusesikolo.
ngizakunceda isigaba.
Yeah, my name is Priska.
Yeah.
Yes, asambe Mbalisto. My name is Mbali Mbali.
My name is Regina.
Right. Antiyabona ukubeka kuhle. Asikhulumi ngama nickname.
Okay.
Uyazwisisa? All right. There was a man asenzeni
There was a man
in the forest.
In the Paris,
His name was called
there was
called
Nicodemus.
Nicodemus.
The man went to Jesus
Men went to Jesus
during night
during night.
and asked,
Asked,
how can a man
how can a man
be born again?
born again?
Then Jesus answered him.
Then Jesus answered, men,
man.
the
Man, answered
Answered.
again.
answered the man.
Yes. Uyangizwisisa?
Siyezwa,
Yes.
say,
Say, come again, say.
Come again.
say.
Come again, say.
Come
Come
again,
again.
say.
Short time, just go for break. Stand up all. It is Sukumani. Sukumani.
Oh,
Yes.
Phasi
Sukumani. Stand up.
Uma phela mdawini, umdawini uthiwa
Thina umahlala lo nyamazi lokho lonjani ukuthi kona ukuthi wahambe kuya
Bengiyefunda.
uyefunda
Go for break. Go for break. Go for
Ngiyasithanda
break.
umoya.
Go for break.
yayibona.
Go for break.
Sifundile namuhla, asifunde kakhulu.
Namhla sifundile shuwa.
Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come. Sit down all.
Oh, sihlale phansi.
Sit down all.
Say good afternoon, say.
Good afternoon, say.
Afternoon, children.
good afternoon.
Say. Uyazi ukuthi ngizakuchaya ngoswazi.
Say,
Thank you. Let me see you tomorrow. For today is over. Go.
Siyabonga,
say.
say.
Yes.
Siyabonga, say.
Say thank you, say. Thank you, say.
Thank you,
Thank you,
say.
say. Thank you, say.
Yeah, go.
thank you.
Thank you, say.
Go.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Ah,
go.
thank you.
Go.
Say.
Thank you.
Go.
Say.
Azikufundisa abantu abadala